Welcome to Currin Substation. We started work in February with breaking down the old station, and now you can see the results of where we are. Since beginning installation, we had to begin with taking down the entire old substation, all the steel, circuit breakers, equipment, and since then it's been taking down and building up. Now you can see we're getting a power transformer mounted, we're getting substation steel and electrical equipment mounted, and it's finally starting to look like a substation on the inside. When we're talking high voltage transmission, EWEB's standard practice is to have everything overhead. As soon as we talk about medium voltage though, the circuits that actually go to customers, we underground those as much as feasible. So some of Currin's new design is actually to transition our overhead medium voltage bus into metal enclosed switchgear, which is protected from the elements and animals and gives us more operational security. A key feature of Currin's rebuild has been seismic improvements in order to sustain a Cascadia event. To do that, we've been putting a lot of concrete in the ground. All that concrete, in addition to the anchor bolts and the equipment on top, is to ensure that if the ground starts shaking, everything shakes together. Everything can shake, everything can survive. It's when you have one static member that things tend to break. So we don't want to do that in the new station, especially one as critical as Currin is to our electric infrastructure. Rebuilding Currin Substation is important to our electric reliability because of how central it is to the electric system. We have generation and water treatment facility to the east, we have the downtown core to the west, and north and south connects to other utilities. So it's a major hub of activity. Because of that, we want to make sure that Currin is robust and ready for whatever the next 50 years can throw at it.